Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile phone battery setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on power saving mode in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to on power saving mode, super power saving mode. So how to use, I will show you, I will tell you in this video both of setting power saving mode and super power saving mode. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends scroll it and friends click here phone battery setting. After on phone battery setting, friends you can see phone power saving mode setting. Friends, you want to on power saving mode, so you can on and you can use. You can save battery. Off power saving mode, super power saving mode. Friends, you want to use. So friends, click here turn on. Friends, you will have to give permission. Allow turn on. As you can, super power saving mode is on, and after on friends you can use only 6 app: phone, call setting, messages, WhatsApp app, Chrome app, YouTube app, and your Paytm app. Friends, you want to use, so you can use. And friends, you want to remove any app, so you can remove from here. And friends, you want to add any important app. Example, friends, you want to use Messenger app, Facebook app, any app. So select your app, and you can use it. So friends, I will use Play Store app. So guys, these 6 apps only use after on power saving mode, and you can use 6 app. And guys, background activities you cannot use. And friends, if you unlock your phone, as you can see screen will show this interface. So friends, left side click here, exit super power saving mode. Friends, click here, and friends, super power saving mode will off automatic. You can check here, click here phone battery setting. After on battery setting, friends, you can see super power saving mode is off. Again you want to use, friends, click here turn on and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.